Baby bump. From how many weeks or months of the pregnancy baby bump is visible, and what are the factors on which it depends that how much baby bump will be visible when a female will look like a pregnant female. So myself Dr. Deepti Chand, gynecologist. Today we will be discussing in detail that from which month or which week basically baby bump starts getting visible, and what are the factors on which actually it depends. So, why baby bump becomes visible? See, what happens as the pregnancy grows. Initially, pregnancy is very small in size. At around 4 weeks of pregnancy, it's hardly 10 mm. The gestational sac is hardly a 1 centimeter in size. Gradually, the size of the baby increases. Along with that, the amount of fluid around the baby also increases, and also increases the size of the uterus. So, when the size of pregnancy it reaches around 12 weeks. So after 12 to 14 weeks of pregnancy, usually baby bumps start getting visible because the pelvis is not able to hold the uterus. Uterus goes beyond the pelvis, and so the baby bump is start getting visible. Usually it is visible after 12 to 14 weeks of pregnancy. Now, what are the factors on which it depends that whether you will have a smaller baby bump or a larger baby bump as compared to your gestational age? That means it may be a possibility that you are 5 months pregnant but you may look as 4 months only, or you are 5 months pregnant but look like as 6 to 7 months. So, what are the factors? The most important factor that it's your first baby or the second or the third one. That means if you are a primigravida, that means it's your first pregnancy, then the bump will be definitely lesser visible. It will be smaller because the muscle tone will be more. If you are a multigravida, that means you have already given birth to one or more child, then the bump will be visible more because the muscles are lax, so they will not be able to that hold easily. So the baby bump will look bigger. Second important thing is that it is a single pregnancy or a multiple pregnancy. Definitely in twin or triplet pregnancy, that means if it's a case of multiple pregnancy, the bump will be more. If it is a single pregnancy, bump will be less. Third important criteria, what is your age? If you are a young mother, the baby bump will be lesser. If you are elderly, your age is 35, 40, then definitely again the muscles will be lax and the baby bump will be visible more. Another thing is that what is your build? If you are tall and a strong build, then definitely it will be a less visible bump. But if you are a short and thin personality, then it will be visible more. So basically your own physique also matters. Genetics also do play an important role. That means if you have a tendency of big bumps in your family, that means high possibility that you will also get a bigger one. The growth of the baby, the unborn baby, that means if the baby is a healthy baby, a more chubbier baby, then definitely more baby bump will be visible. If it is a weak baby or a growth retarded baby, the bump will be on a lesser side. If the amount of fluid around the baby, the amniotic fluid is more, definitely the bump will be also more. But if it is less, then the bump will be automatically on a lesser side. So there are many factors on which basically the baby bump depends. If you have a tendency of gaseous distension, that means there is a more gas in your body, then again it may look as a more on a higher side. The baby bump may look larger, although the baby is not that big in size, but just because of the gaseous distension, it may look on a higher side. If you have a tendency of fluid retention, you get a swelling in your body, then also the baby bump may look bigger. If you wear very tight clothes, specifically tight clothing near your belly area, then again the baby bump may look more prominent. So there are many conditions on which basically it depends. If you have an anteverted uterus, it is an acutely anteverted uterus, then again the baby bump will be visible more. If it is a retroverted uterus, your bump will be slightly less seen. So there are many things on which actually baby bump depends. Although definitely it gives an idea about the growth of the baby and amount of liquor around the baby, but there are other factors as well on which the baby bump depends. If you have any more confusion, you can definitely write us down in the comment box section and can subscribe the channel. Thank you.